How to video, MagniLink ONE. Use the left button to turn the unit on or off. Turn the large, orange button in the middle to increase or reduce the level of magnification. A short press of the button displays an overview screen. A short press again returns to the previous level of magnification. Press and hold, and then release, to lock the focus. Locked focus is indicated by the power button now flashing orange. Another long press on the large orange button will bring back the autofocus mode. The power button now has a solid green light. The left of the two black buttons toggles between full color mode and grayscale mode. The right button switches between different high contrast color combinations. Press the left button again to return to full color mode. Press the right button to go back to your chosen high contrast mode. Use the right, orange button to increase or decrease brightness and contrast. Press the right, orange button to activate the guiding lines. Turn the button to adjust the position. Press this button again to switch to a vertical guiding line. Another press will switch to curtains. Another press will bring you back to normal mode. A long press on the right, orange button switches to brightness adjustment. Thank you for watching this video. You can learn more at lviglobal.se.